Today is the day. I'm so excited. For the past 2 years, I have dreamt of a life where I could live more slowly and freely while being immersed in nature. I started taking solo road trips with my son at the beginning of this year, and while this was life-changing for us both, it still just wasn't enough for me. I never truly got to know a place or experience it fully, and it always felt rushed. I longed to slow travel and wake up to tall trees and mountains and a natural water source. After seeing so many other solo women and even moms begin a nomadic lifestyle, I realized that this was the way I wanted to live. So I started saving up, and after countless hours of research, I finally bought my first RV. Meet Ellie, my tiny home on wheels. My camper's here! It's so crazy to me after so much work, manifestation, and prayer that this dream of mine has finally started to come true. I am coming to you live from my RV. This is crazy, guys. Like, honestly, it's so weird, like, planning and putting work in for something for so long and then finally seeing it come into fruition. It's such a strange feeling, you know? Wow, I am just feeling overwhelmed and in a good way. So blessed. Like, this is the first big step into leading the life that I want, that I deeply crave and yearn every day, and I'm so excited. And I'm going to show you guys every part of the way, and I just want to do it as authentically as I can to myself, because I just want to show the reality of it all and each step and all the work that it takes, and that it's doable, that it's possible for you to do if you desire a life like this too. I have so much planned and coming to you guys soon, and I'm just so excited about that as well. But for now, I just want to take everything in and just bask in it. Like, anyway, so stay tuned. I will see you soon. I will say really quickly before I do the actual tour, look at this window. Like, this is amazing. I'm so excited about this. Also, guys, this is my beautiful sister. Hi. She's letting me keep my trailer here for like 1 to 2 months or so, just while I work on it and renovate everything. So I'm so thankful for her. The next steps will be renovation and all of that. So hi, you guys. I am inside my RV with electricity now, so I can finally give you guys a tour of everything just before I, break it apart and renovate, and just make it look completely different, because I promise it's not gonna look anything like this. So yeah, I'm so excited to finally start. It's been like 10 days and I've just been like sitting at home constantly like researching everything that I want to do, and honestly I'm still figuring a lot of things out. I'll just walk you guys through and just kind of talk about the places that I want to work on and change, and I hope you enjoy. So as soon as you walk in, you see this beautiful big window, which is one of my favorite parts of the rig, as well as all of the windows in the entire rig itself. I really love those features because I love natural daylight and how it opens up a space more. And I also have a lot of plants that need sunlight. So here is my tiny kitchen, a nice deep sink, lots of storage, typical RV small oven, and a 3-burner stove, which is really nice. I also have just a regular smaller RV fridge, but it's just the 2 of us, so it should work out fine. The one thing that I will be keeping is the flooring because I actually really like it. But I will be demolishing the booth and replacing it with kind of a bar slash extra counter space, and I will be taking out these couches. So another feature that I love about this RV is the shower. I love that the doors are able to slide open and it's not just one of those small curtain showers. And I also love the huge wardrobe space in my bedroom, which is actually a slide that goes out. So that's really nice. So I've already wiped everything down pretty good and cleaned. So now I have some tape and I'm just gonna go through and just tape the things that I'm definitely gonna be breaking apart and changing. So that way I can just have like a good visual to know where to start. After taping, I wasted no time and started taking down these horrible valences. I don't know how to pronounce them correctly, but yeah, they all went out the door. Time has come to an end. Goodbye, ugly valences, whatever you're called. There you go. Okay, ready?
You're gonna have to leave. I've never carried anything heavy. Yeah.
I'm not good at my legs touching. We got the couches out! Wow. It's already a big difference. Getting so much done! Today's progress. Hi guys, we are back. I didn't realize how long this would take, and even just like prepping for the paint and primer, it's like a lot of prep work, so I kind of just underestimated it. But yeah, I'll be working on breaking down some more of like the cabinets that I'm not going to have keep that way. I kind of want to open some up and make the space more open, and I'll also be working on breaking down that booth so I can add in another kind of counter bar area there. What else am I doing? Oh yeah, finishing breaking down or tearing up the carpet, and then hopefully like blocking everything off for the paint with the trash bags and the painter's tape, and then putting on primer today so that we can paint tomorrow. Now I'm going to try and figure out how I can open this cabinet up but still keeping the platform that it's on. My mom had this idea just to take off the cabinet doors and just leave it that way. We'll see. I didn't know it, but there are some screws here. So I'm gonna take those out. I only have 3 more to go. Then I experienced the rain for the first time in my RV, and it really was a beautiful moment. I felt like I was just at home and so thankful for being able to make my dreams come true. As always, thank you so much for being here with me, and be on the lookout for more RV content coming.